Yes guys, what is happening and welcome back to a brand new video. So today we have bought another car. No one's going to have guessed it, no one knows what we've bought. I kind of spent all my money. I wanted to make sure we had borrowed so much money we were going to do what we were going to do. And yeah, I saw this come up and I've always liked it and I was like, you know what, this is a bit of me. And it's just been dropped off and it looks a lot worse than I thought. So stop the video, comment down below, let me know what you think this is going to be, and without further ado, this is going to be an absolute banger. So let's get on with the video, let's go. You ready? You ready? Here we go. So we have a 2015 2-litre Audi S1 Quattro. I do think there is a competition version. I don't really know the difference. I think it's just spec wise, but I think it's a bit more sought after with the fancy red lights, which is basically just more expensive for some silly reason. So without further ado, we're just going to walk around the car, show you what's kind of wrong with it, show you what we've got, and show you what we haven't got. So let's go. Right, so what we have here is our very own S1 Quattro. So this is 2-litre, this is 4-wheel drive. I do believe it shares some similarities to the Golf R, the S3. So I believe that these are pretty similar to the Golf GTI, the Polo GTI. I think the engine's, I don't know if the engine's a bit different in the Polo GTI than it is on the Golfs. But yeah, we've got a 2-litre, I think it's a TFSI, or is it a E8? I don't even know. But yeah, this is what we've got. Unfortunately, I can't open the bonnet just yet because that's been snapped. But yeah, this is our S1 Quattro. So from the start, bumpers hanging off, as you can see. Doesn't look too bad. Got a few little cracks and nicks in the bumper, but hopefully we can save that. And then we'll just take you around the side. Isn't as lovely, but it also isn't as bad. So first things first, which isn't too bad, it's the wing on the S1 that has perished. We've got a little tiny little hole here in the front bumper, and unfortunately it's broke the headlight. I'm actually quite gutted about that because I thought we could save this headlight. It's actually fully broke. There's me thinking we can just change the lens, but I don't know if we're going to be able to. I think we're going to need a brand new headlight. So yeah, I might be able to take it apart and see what we can do, but yeah, comment down below if you reckon we can fix that. So yeah, let's take you around to the other side, so let's go. So here's where it gets really interesting. So we've got an absolutely mashed up wing, which surprisingly the headlight's fine. The driver's side headlight, passenger side headlight looks fine, even though it's took more damage here. So we've got damaged wing, damaged bonnet, and normally there is suspension, drive shaft. Normally there's quite a lot here, but unfortunately there is a lot missing. So lower arm looks bent, trap rod end obviously needs replacing. We've got some wiring here, which I don't know what this is. Drop link has snapped in half, but underneath it doesn't look too bad. Hopefully new shaft, new lower arm, new suspension components, bosh, we're up. The only problem is here, this here, this is what is going to tell us if it's hard, if it's going to be even harder than we thought, because the sill has been pushed in here. Let me show you. So as you can see here, the sill has actually been pushed in. So we've got, this is our side skirt here. It doesn't look overly bad. It doesn't look like silly bad. Hopefully it's not as bad when we take the wing off, but it looks like that could just need pulling out and we should be okay. Right, so from here, door looks okay, sill needs a new sill. Thankfully, bodywork wise, it's alright. There's a little dink here, just a little paint stamp removal, probably sort that out. Tiny little crease here where it's been pushed in, which same again, doesn't look that bad. The only problem is the wheel is hanging out loads. So yeah, wheel is a problem. The wheel has actually snapped. It's holding air. Oh no, it's not holding air. So yeah, but as you can see, the wheel is all over the place, so I'm not too sure what's going on there. Look, the wheel should not be hanging out that much at all. So what we've got here, I think it has been modified slightly. So we've got spacers here and we've got lowering springs there. So we're already onto something. So whether we take the lowering springs off, take the spacers off and put standard stuff on, or the only problem is we've got to find one lowering spring and one spacer, which I don't think many people sell them in ones. So I think you have to buy all four, even though I only need one. So that's the rear quarter. Look at that. Hopefully that's just a lower arm. So we get to the rear of the car. Rear of the car actually doesn't look that bad. Look, it's probably the one part of the car you can go, man, this looks sound. But if you haven't noticed, take a look in there. Can you see what's in there? Place your bets. Please pause, comment down below. Imagine the most stupidest thing you could probably put in an exhaust. I don't know why you do it, but they've done it. So yeah, let's show you what it is. So basically, they've put expander foam in the exhaust. Oh my god. So you've got a lovely Miltech back box with expander foam in your tips. Oh my god, why would you do it? But yeah, the rear actually looks like really nice. Hopefully I can show you. So if we go from, sort this wheel out, this part here actually looks like a really nice car, which I'm so happy about. Go to the driver's side wheel. Yeah, I think that looks alright. I think because the car's like that, I think it looks like it's half bent, but it's not. And then yeah, we just get to the front again. That's it really. Yeah, front wing. Side skirt looks like it's okay, so hopefully we can just replace that. But the bonnet latch has actually snapped, so we can't open the bonnet at the moment. And then unfortunately, it blew an airbag inside. So the airbag has gone off. Oh my god, is that blood? Oh no, please tell me that's not blood. It does smell fruity. So what have we got in here? So we've got a bobble. So a bobble straight away, it's either a long haired male or a female. We've got multimedia pack, 57,000 miles, absolute beauty. I do actually really like these cars. Airbag, I need to find out what airbag I need. If anyone knows, can you put an A1 airbag in an S1? I believe it's all the same kind of thing, but yeah, let me know. Unfortunately, the windscreen's cracked as well. No sunroof, unfortunately, but yeah, just normal S1 seats. S1 branding here. No, I was hoping it had like Bose and Wilkins or Bose sound system, but unfortunately it doesn't. But yeah, I think that's it really. Whoa, what the hell? The seat coming all the way up. I think there's a quid in there. So we've got some smart water. Could have done with that when they didn't crash it. 20p. Oi oi! We're in the money. We're getting the profit back. We got a quid. Oi! £1.20. Mate, if you're the owner of this car, I will give you your £1.20 back, I promise. Let's open the boot, see what's in the boot. So we have got, whoa, go on then. Got this cheeky little set. I'm not going to show you the address. And then yeah, Asda battery. I was hoping to find a locking wheel nut somewhere. I haven't actually found that yet, which could be a problem. And I've just had a look. Yeah, it's got a fat intercooler, so there is a big fat intercooler down here. I don't know what one it is, but there is definitely, that's definitely a big boy intercooler, that one. It's not the one that goes fully up, so I'm not too sure what it is, but yeah, I'm pretty sure we'll get into it. What do you think of it now?
beautiful.
What do you think's
When
gonna
it's
be
fixed,
what do you think it's gonna be what's the worst bit about it?
this front,
Where?
where there's no wheel.
Should there be a wheel there?
Absolutely.
Oh god. So yeah, they want to see you more in the videos, and that's why we got it here, so you can actually get stuck in.
You are?
Yeah. So the aim is, because it's at Nan's house, we're going to get Nan stuck in on this car. So yeah, we've got a little helper here, so yeah, we're going to get her stuck in on the Audi, so let's go. We've got the car wrapped up, so we're literally like ready to strip it to get it ready. But unfortunately for you guys, that is going to be the end of the video. So hope you all enjoyed this one. This is going to be mad. So we're doing the S1 whilst doing the Subaru. So whilst we're waiting for parts, we might jump from car to car to car. But yeah, guys, what do you think? Please comment, please share, please subscribe, and I hope you all enjoyed this one, and we'll see you on the next one. So let's go.